occasions and improvement that your organization has done. If you sum up all of that, your organization should be far beyond where it is today. So where is the gap? The gap really lies in retainment of performance. Whether it is an individual or an organization, retaining the current level of performance is always a challenge. In lean management, that is called as daily work management. There are structured tools and approaches in lean to make sure that you sustain or retain the current level of performance. In this course, which is about daily work management, we're going to talk about what is daily work management, what are the various tools and approaches which are used, in which sector can you use it. We're going to cut beyond all this and we're going to take an example and we're going to apply that, and at the end of the course you're going to do a project which will give you hands-on experience on how to create daily work management for your organization or for yourself. This course is primarily meant for mid and senior level staff members, anyone who aspires to be a lean practitioner, or I would say for even a student who wants to grow in life. Usually lean is synonymous with manufacturing. But in this course, I have made sure that I'm going to take examples from industries and sectors such as IT. I'm going to talk about functions such as sales and marketing. We're going to talk about digital marketing. So you're going to use a variety of unconventional areas where the daily work management can be applied. So I'm going to look forward towards having you in this course.